The threat of radicalism. Radical tendencies, irrespective of their origin, are one of the most dangerous threats to world peace and security. Radicalism means to advocate fundamental and sudden changes by means of uncompromising and hard-line policies. Radicals seek such changes by employing often aggressive policies. One of radicalism's characteristic traits is the angry attitude visible in its adherents' speeches, books, and demonstrations. Radical movements are dominated by blindly advocated taboos, instead of conscious behavior, and are indicative of mass psychology.
Jonathan!
This mass psychology, in turn, can get so out of control that people who no longer know what they are doing or why turn their aggression on others. This is a form of mass hysteria, and all too often it can have deadly consequences. In an environment where love and understanding have ceased to exist, people begin to feel animosity toward different ideologies or races, without knowing what the other party really represents or believes.
Ignorance enables radicalism to find new recruits, even though it is a harmful and destructive movement. Radicalism can emerge in some Islamic countries, Christian and Jewish communities, and this fact must not be misused by those who predict a clash between the two civilizations. Misinformed or misguided people are vulnerable to extremist movements, whose philosophies they adopt without careful reflection. This is why education is perhaps the most essential aspect of the ideological fight against radicalism. When people are told of spiritual values, emphasizing the importance of the peace, then radical tendencies will swiftly disappear.